Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to remove an image background in GIMP. First, you should select your photo and open it in GIMP. Then you want to go and click on layer on the top left side, then click on new layer. After that, you want to go and click on fill with and choose transparency, then click on OK. Then you should go to image, tap on it, then click on merge visible layers, and make sure that you have these options selected. Final merged layer should be clip to image, merge with an active group only, discard invisible layers. Make sure that you have all these options checked. Then click on merge. After that, go on the left side, you can see the tools. Click on this bucket fill tool and choose bucket fill. Once you choose it, here you can see the tool options on the right side. Just make sure that you have the mode erase, the opacity 100% or 100, the fill type background color fill or BG color fill. The affected area or shift is fill similar colors. And now what you should do is simply click on the color that you want to remove and make sure that you remove all the color, the background color that you want. Here, as you can see, I have the color inside is here and inside the donut, so I will have to remove all of that. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.